Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your exporting problems, issues, whatsoever on CapCut PC. It is pretty simple. Go to menu and go to the settings tab. Then you're going to go to performance. If you have two of the encoding and decoding enabled, you're just going to want to turn it off, especially the speed up hardware encoding. As you can see, there is like an information button. If you hover over it, it says unselected to avoid exporting issues caused by incompatible drivers will take effect after the project is reopened. So keep that in mind. Press the save button, close the app, and then reopen it again, and hopefully after that you'll be able to smoothly export your videos on CapCut. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.